Welcome to the CFA Level 1 Practice Test 1. Domain, Ethical and Professional Standards. Part 18. Which CFA standard is violated by an advisor who creates artificial trading activity to manipulate market interest? A. Standard V. A. Diligence and reasonable basis, by making recommendations without adequate research. B. Standard 3. B. Market manipulation, by engaging in actions designed to distort trading volume and price. C. Standard 3. A. Loyalty, prudence, and care, by failing to act for the sole benefit of his clients. D. None of the above. Answer is B. Standard 3. B. Market manipulation, by engaging in actions designed to distort trading volume and price. What is the primary ethical challenge Sarah faces when asked to downplay product risks to secure bonuses? A. A strong compliance culture oversimplifying decisions. B. The powerful influence of loyalty to her employer and colleagues, compounded by short-term financial incentives. C. The overconfidence bias, causing her to overestimate her morality in unfamiliar situations. D. Not applicable. Answer is B. The powerful influence of loyalty to her employer and colleagues, compounded by short-term financial incentives. Where should investment professionals place their primary ethical obligation according to the CFA Code of Ethics? A. Their firm foremost. B. Society above their clients. C. Clients above their own personal interests. D. None of these. Answer is C. Clients above their own personal interests. Which efficient market hypothesis assumption does the insider trading prohibition support? A. All relevant information is made available to all participants simultaneously. B. Investors respond to new information in a rational and predictable manner. C. Trading and information costs are low enough not to impede price discovery. D. Not applicable. Answer is A. All relevant information is made available to all participants simultaneously. Which action indicates a likely violation of Standard 4, C, by an investment firm's management? A. Linking research analyst compensation to investment banking revenue influenced by analysts. B. Requiring prominent disclosure of conflicts in research reports. C. Establishing firewalls and separate reporting for research personnel. D. None of the above. Answer is A. Linking research analyst compensation to investment banking revenue influenced by analysts. Which CFA standard is violated by an analyst providing exclusive report previews to select clients before public release? A. Standard 3, B. Fair dealing, by selectively disseminating research recommendations. B. Standard 3, A. Loyalty, prudence, and care, by failing to prioritize all clients equally. C. Standard 2, B. Market manipulation, by creating artificial demand. D. None of the above. Answer is A. Standard 3, B. Fair dealing, by selectively disseminating research recommendations. What is the present value of $1,500 annual losses over 4 years at 6% discount rate? A. $5,198. B. $5,510. C. $6,000. D. Not applicable. Answer is A. $5,198. In which phase of ethical decision-making does identifying stakeholders and duties occur? A. The consideration phase. B. The identification phase. C. The reflection phase. D. None of these. Answer is B. The identification phase. What should a CFA candidate do if the firm's report template omits CFA-required disclosures but complies with local law? A. Include all CFA-required disclosures by modifying the template if necessary. B. Use the firm's template as local law compliance suffices. C. Seek an exemption from the CFA Institute for the conflict. D. None of the above. Answer is A. Include all CFA-required disclosures by modifying the template if necessary. Which action violates Standard V? A. Diligence and reasonable basis in managing credit risk models. A. Implementing a quick fix without thorough validation before use. B. Distancing from client money management decisions. C. Prioritizing new model development over existing maintenance. D. None of the above. Answer is A. Implementing a quick fix without thorough validation before use. Thank you for watching. For more learning videos and tutorials, subscribe to BISP Trainings.